Welcome back to Cooking Vegan with Johanny. Today I made this amazing pumpkin spice French toast. With this French toast, you're gonna get all the fall flavors. So let's get started. We're gonna add some bananas, and that's gonna be our egg replacement. It took a long time to find the perfect egg replacement for French toast, and bananas are perfect for this recipe. Once we're done mashing our bananas, we're gonna add some pumpkin puree. We're gonna mix that very well before you add any other ingredients. And then we're gonna add in some almond milk. You can use the plant-based milk of your choice. If you want a thicker consistency, you wanna use evaporated coconut milk or coconut milk. Now we're gonna add nutritional yeast, and that's gonna help enhance the flavors and also help with the texture when cooking our French toast. We're gonna add our maple syrup. I like to use 100% maple syrup. And then we're gonna add also some pure vanilla extract. Last but not least, we're gonna add our pumpkin spice seasoning. I made mine homemade, but you can buy yours at the store. Make sure you mix everything very well. Our mix should be more on the thicker side and not runny. This is gonna be delicious, okay? But you have to follow the steps. Now we're gonna add butter to our cast iron. I'm using plant-based butter. I like to use cast iron because it just cooks everything very well. And now we're gonna add our batter to our bread. I'm using sourdough. If you guys want your French toast to look like mine's, you have to buy sourdough bread. Make sure it's firm, not soft. We're gonna add our mixture to both sides. I like to use a spoon because I don't like to dip my bread. That can make the French toast too soggy. I like to cook mine until it's light golden brown. This is one of the recipes you're gonna fall in love with. This is actually one of my favorites, and it's all vegan with no sugar added. For our toppings, I decided to add date sugar. I also found some peach jam with no sugar added, and I added some walnuts and cranberries. Whether you're vegan or you're looking to take dairy or sugar from your diet, this is the recipe for you. All October and all November for the holidays, we're coming out with a lot of different recipes. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I post. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.